National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southwestern County and central Wisconsin, Northwestern Jackson County, Northeastern Trempealeau County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Crosse, or 17 miles northeast of Whitehall, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Crosse around 6:50 p.m. Humbird around 6:55 p.m. Merrillan around 7:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Wildcat, Mound, Highway 10 and 12, Highway 10 and Ball Peak Road, Bruce Mound, Highway 53 and County East, Levis, and Northfield. This includes Interstate 94 between mile markers 88 and 98. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Trempealeau, Wisconsin. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern County until 7:30 p.m. At 6:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Augusta, or 20 miles southeast of Eau Claire, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fairchild. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds and large hail. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following county: Eau Claire, Wisconsin. Severe thunderstorm